Wire bonding is a process to link the chips with pin header so that electricity can be supplied to the chips for testing. Silver epoxy is used to paste the chips onto the copper block and the copper block onto the pin header. The silver epoxy must be fully mixed and wait about 2 minutes before use it. Use a glass fiber brush to clean up the oxidized metal on the surface of the pin header and copper block. The copper block must be cleaned on both sides. Take a very small amount of silver epoxy and mix it a thin film on the pin header. Make sure the epoxy is spread evenly and not touching the pins. Put the copper block onto the pin header and push it to one end. Bake the pin header for 2 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Repeat the process to form a thin film of epoxy on the copper block. Carefully use the fine tweezers to take the chip and put it on the copper block. Make sure the chip is placed at the end of the copper block. When adjusting the position, make sure you do not touch the cleave edge of the chip. Bake the pin header on the hot plate for 2 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Place the pin header on the holder and fully lock it with the screws. Put it on the wire bonder substrate. The mouse is used to move the substrate of the wire bonder. Left-click the mouse to let the wedge go down and force the wire stick on the pin. Then release it and move the mouse so that the wire is pulling out. Left-click again to stick the wire on the copper block. Here's another view. The green light spot indicates the wire bonding position. When doing the first bond, the clamp opens so that wire can be pulled out. When doing the second bend, the clamp closes to break the wire.